Hello everyone, myself Mahantesh Kukudi, welcome you all to the linear equations in one variable topic. So in the exercise 2.2, already we discussed up to the 8th problem. So now I am going to solve 9th problem onwards. So here 9th problem is the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? See here, my dear children, ages of Rahul and Harun are given in the ratio form. So, whenever the ages are given in ratio form, we have to convert that ratio form ages in the form of equations. Then we have to apply our condition. We have to go for simplification. So now the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. So here what we have to take? Let the present ages of Rahul and Harun be 5x and 7x respectively. So we wrote one condition. What is that condition? Ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. For that reason, I considered their ages are 5x and 7x. Now, here 4 years later, suppose your age is 13 years. What happens after 4 years? We are going to add 4 years to your present age. In the same way, we have to add after 4 years. After 4 years, what happens? Rahul age will be, here earlier present age is 5x. After 4 years means it is 5x plus 4 years. And Harun's age, that is present age of Harun is 7x. So after 4 years, his age will be 7x plus 4 years. So next, 4 years later we got their ages. The sum of their ages will be 56 years. So according to our condition, what our condition says, after 4 years, whatever the age will be Rahul and Harun, if we add both age, then we are going to get 56 years. So what happens? Which implies, so 5x plus 4, this is the age of Rahul after 4 years, and 7x plus 4 is the age of Harun after 4 years. So if we add both ages, then this is equal to 56 years. So we have to add these two ages, that will be equal to 56. Now we have to simplify for this. 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4, that is equal to 56. Now we have to add variable part together and constant part together. 5x plus 7x. 5x plus 7x, if you add both, it will be 12x. Then 4 plus 4, that is 8. So this is equal to 56. Now we got linear equation in one variable. We have to simplify this. How to simplify? Transpose this plus 8 to the RHS. So this is a 12x, that is equal to 56. If you transpose plus 8 from LHS to RHS, it will become minus 8. So 56 minus 8, that is equal to 48. So now we got this equation as 12x, that is equal to 48. So which implies we have to find out value of x. So how to express this? Here along with that x, 12 is in the multiplication form. If you transpose to the RHS, it will divide. So 48 divided by 12. So we have to simplify. 12 ones are 12 fours are. So this is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 4. So now we got x value. So what we have to find out here? What are their present ages? Hence present age of Rahul. So what we consider present age of Rahul? Present age of Rahul and Harun be 5x and 7x already we considered. So present age of Rahul, that is equal to 5x. So we have to substitute here x value. So 5 into x value is 4. So this is 5 4 the 20 years. So present age of Harun, that is equal to 7x. So this is 7 into x value is 4. So 7 4 the 28 years. This is our solution. My dear children, next we have to go for 10th problem. So that is the number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? So here how to solve this problem. This is also in ratio form. So solution we have to write for this. Let the number of boys and girls be, here ratio form is there, so we have to take 7x and 5x respectively. But what our condition says, number of boys are 8 more than the number of girls. It means in the boys strength, if we subtract girl strength, we are going to get difference as 8. So according to our condition, so what our condition says, in the boys strength, if we subtract girl strength, we are going to get difference as 8. So that condition I wrote here. Now we have to simplify. 7x minus 5x, that is 2x, that is equal to 8. Therefore x is equal to, here along with x 2 is there, that is in the multiplication form. So if I transpose that 2 to the RHS, it will become 8 divided by 2. So we have to simplify here. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So our value of x is 4. Therefore x is equal to 4. So now what we have to find out? Total class strength we have to find out. Before going to find out total class strength, we have to find out number of boys and number of girls. Therefore number of boys, how many boys are there? 7x boys are there. So 7 into x value is 4. So this is equal to 28 students are there. So number of girls, that is 5x. So that is equal to 5 into 4, that is 20. So strength of boys is 28 and strength of girls is 20. Therefore total class strength, that is equal to, we have to add boys and girls, then only we are going to get total strength. So that is 28 plus 20, that is equal to 48. Therefore, total class strength, that is equal to 48. So here we got total how many students are there in a classroom. My dear children, next we have to go for 11th problem. So that is, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. So first of all, we don't know what is the age of Baichung, right? So first we have to assume the age of Baichung will be X years. If you consider Baichung's age as X years, then father is 29 year older than Baichung. For that reason, father's age will be X plus 29. To that father's age, if we add 26 years, it will become grandfather's age. So first, we have to go for the solution. Let Baichung's age be X years. If I consider Baichung's age as X years, what our condition says? Baichung's father is 29 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. It means here Baichung's father is 26 years smaller than the grandfather. In the same condition, 29 years elder than Baichung. So here Baichung father's age So if you consider Baichung and Baichung father's age, Baichung father is 29 years older than Baichung. For that reason, X plus 29 years. Next, Baichung's grandfather. Grandfather is 26 years elder than his father. So we have to take X plus 29 plus 26. So if you simplify this, X plus 55 years. So what we got here? We assumed Baichung age. If Baichung age is X years, compared to the Baichung, his father is 29 years elder to him, and his grandfather is 55 years elder to Baichung. So according to our condition, what it says? See here. So according to our condition, if we add Baichung age, Baichung's father age and Baichung's grandfather age, that sum is equal to 135. So if you use that, here this is the Baichung's age, father age is X plus 29 and grandfather age is X plus 55 years. If we add all the three ages, that is equal to 135 years. Now we have to simplify for this linear equation. What it says? Here if you simplify means variable we have to add first, constant we have to add next. So x plus x, that is 3x plus 29 plus 55. If we add both constants, that is equal to 84. This is equal to 135. So next how to solve? 3x, that is equal to plus 84. We have to transpose to the RHS. So whenever positive number, if you transpose to the RHS, it will become negative. So 135 minus 84. So if you subtract 135, if you subtract 84 From 135, we are going to get 51. So which implies 3x is equal to 51. Now along with the variable, 3 is in the multiplication form. So if you transpose this 3 from LHS to RHS, it will divide. So what happens? Which implies x is equal to 51 divided by 3. So now we have to simplify. 3 1s are 3, 3 17s are 51. So x value is 17. Therefore, x is equal to 17. So now we have to write the ages of Baichung, Baichung's father and Baichung's grandfather. Hence, Baichung's age, that is equal to x. It is 17 years. Baichung's father age, that is equal to x plus 29. So that is 17 plus 29. If we add both the ages, it will become 46 years. Next, Baichung's grandfather. That is equal to x plus 55. So here x value is 17. We have to add 55 to that. So what happens? If we add both, it will become 72 years. So from this problem, we got Baichung age is 17 years, Baichung's father age is 46 years, and Baichung's grandfather age is 72 years. This is our required solution. Now we have to go for 12th problem. What that 12th problem says? 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? So first we have to assume the present age of Ravi. 15 years from now means after 15 years. So we have to use this given data and we have to find out what is the present age of Ravi. See here, in this problem, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. So first of all, we don't know what is his present age. For that reason, we have to assume Ravi's present age be x years. So let Ravi's present age be x years. Right? After 15 years, what happens? After 15 years, what happens? Ravi's age. So, after 15 years, Ravi's age is 4 times of his present age. 4 times means we have to take 4x years. So, this is 15 years from now. Ravi's age will be 4 times of his present age. 4 times of his present age means it is 4x. So, here one more condition is there. 15 years from now. 15 years from now. 15 years from now means after 15 years. So present age is x. After 15 years means we have to add 15 years to his age. So after 15 years, Ravi's age is x plus 15. This is same as 4 times, that is 4x. So how we have to write condition for this? According to the condition, what condition says? 4x is equal to x plus 15. So now what I have to do here means this x I am going to transpose to the LHS. So 4x minus x, that is equal to 15. 4x minus x is 3x, that value is equal to 15. So which implies x is equal to 15 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3 5s are. So what we got here? Value of x we got here. So here value of x is equal to 5. Hence Ravi's present age is 5 years. This is our solution.